Well, hello everyone. We just wanted to pop on here for a quick video. What, Bridget? Why do we want to do that? Because we're having breakfast. I'm working on a new recipe for breakfast bars. Here you go, Bridget. You want to have a bite? You want to have a bite? You can tear it off. It's got some cornmeal in it. What do you think? What do you think? Enough to smile, but we wanted to pop on also because we're both wearing our plant-based Gabriel apparel or clothes, and we just wanted to share them with you. Everyone, look how good this sweet potato looks on this. This is the Dark Heather on plant-based Gabriel. $20 for this shirt. Super comfortable. I've been wearing them a ton. You can see they're like a longer, not like a dress, but longer style of t-shirt, which means that they're, really comfortable to wear. You can sit down in them. You can do your daily work with them. I've been blown away with them. We've got all different types of sweet potatoes and white potatoes and Swiss chard and celery and avocados and bananas and oranges and apples and peas and sweet corn. Am I missing anything? But they're really great. We're really enjoying them. I'll leave the link there if you want to check them out. Bridget, you want some more of your bar? And Bridget is wearing her, I don't know if you can tell, her Little Spud t-shirt. If you're a grandma or a grandpa or a mom or a dad, you can get a Little Spud t-shirt for your little ones, your little grandchild or your little descendant, and you can also get, you want some more? You can also get a matching Big Spud t-shirt in adult sizes. So what a better gift if you're someone who's eating a plant-based diet, a vegan diet, and you want to encourage your little ones, get them one of those Little Spud t-shirts, and next time you see them, show up in your Big Spud t-shirt. I'm sure they'll really enjoy that. And then, well, after Bridget gets a bite here. Yeah, you couldn't have done that in more of a messy way. Bella's super happy down there. Yeah. But you may also have noticed what's on my head right here. This is going to be coming to plantbasedgabriel.com soon, plantbasedgabriel.com/shop. This is our, I don't know if you can tell, Dr. Miller's filming. Does that look all right there, Dr. Miller? Mm-hmm. Simple, starchy Staples hats. If you're someone that has changed your diet, that's living a healthy, whole food, plant-based lifestyle, eating that way, you know the importance of the Simple Starchy Staples. It's a comfortable hat. It's one of the kind of little tattered already, so don't worry about getting it dirty because it's already got a few little seams there. But it's the Simple Starchy Staple hat. Hey, it's a lifestyle. This is what you're eating. This is the way you're feeding your family. Why not wear some Simple Starchy Staple inspired clothing as well? And it goes to support a good cause. Bridget has to eat food, and you can help us eat food by buying our shirts. And they're inexpensive, $20. The reason we're doing this, honestly, is because these are the clothes that we wanted to wear. I couldn't find awesome Simple Starchy Staple or plant-powered shirts and apparel that I really enjoyed. A lot of it was pretty tacky or this or that. I wanted it to be me, and hopefully for you. And so you can see, hey, if you love sweet potatoes, rock a sweet potato t-shirt. You love avocados, bananas, apples, oranges, get one of each if you want. But, and if you do, spend $50 on plantbasedgabriel.com, you get free shipping. So there's also a plus. Get a couple t-shirts, get free shipping there. But we really hope that you're enjoying the shirts. We know a lot of you have been... You want another bite? We know a lot of you have been getting them. Please, if you get them, take a picture of them. We will love to share it on our site, show everyone how awesome the t-shirts are. And, Bridget, am I missing anything? Giving you another bite. I know that, huh? Oh, you want to hug it? Apparently this is going to be a winner. She wants to hug it.
Oh.
Well, everyone, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in another post soon. And I'll leave the link for plantbasedgabriel.com/shop so you can check out the shirts. We love you all. We hope you have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in another video soon. You want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. All right, let's see you guys.